Picture a future where every financial decision you make is wise and dependable, leading you to wealth and security. Join us on an engaging journey through The Intelligent Investor and uncover the timeless secrets that have propelled countless investors to success. Whether you're wide awake or drifting off to sleep, let these lessons transform your approach to investing. Introduction. Welcome to the exciting world of The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, a book that has helped many people become smarter with their money. This summary will take you through each chapter, making complex ideas simple and memorable. Whether you are awake or asleep, let these lessons sink in and change the way you think about investing. Chapter 1. Investment versus Speculation. Are you an investor or a gambler? Knowing the difference is the first step to smart investing. In this chapter, Graham explains that investors look for long-term value through careful analysis, while gamblers take risks on short-term price movements without a solid plan. Understanding this difference can save you from unnecessary risks and losses. Chapter 2. The Investor and Inflation. Inflation can sneak up on you and steal your wealth. Understanding it is key. Graham talks about how inflation reduces the buying power of your money and suggests protecting your investments by including stocks and real assets in your portfolio. It's crucial to consider inflation when planning for the future to preserve your wealth. Chapter 3. A Century of Stock Market History. The level of stock prices in early 1972. The past teaches us valuable lessons. The stock market's history is full of them. This chapter reviews the ups and downs of the stock market over the past 100 years, showing that long-term trends are more important than short-term changes. Learning from historical patterns can help you make better investment decisions today. Chapter 4. General Portfolio Policy. The Defensive Investor. A strong defense is the best offense. Building a safe portfolio is crucial. Graham gives advice for conservative investors, recommending a balanced mix of stocks and bonds, and choosing high-quality investments to reduce risk. This approach helps to protect your investments from market volatility. Chapter 5. The Defensive Investor and Common Stocks. Choosing the right stocks can secure your future. Here's how to do it smartly. In this chapter, Graham offers guidelines for picking stocks, including looking for strong financial health, good dividend records, and reasonable prices to ensure safety. These criteria help you avoid risky investments and focus on solid opportunities. Chapter 6. Portfolio Policy for the Enterprising Investor. The positive side. Opportunities are everywhere for the active investor. You just need to know where to look. Graham discusses strategies for active investors who are willing to put in more effort, suggesting they look for undervalued stocks and special situations. By being proactive, you can uncover valuable investment opportunities that others might miss. Chapter 7. The Enterprising Investor and Common Stocks. Find hidden treasures in the stock market. The Active Investor's Guide to Choosing Stocks. This chapter dives into techniques for picking common stocks, emphasizing the importance of detailed analysis, understanding market trends, and spotting value in overlooked opportunities. With careful research, you can find stocks that offer great potential for growth. Chapter 8. The Investor and Market Fluctuations. Market ups and downs can be your friend. Learn to take advantage of them. Graham explains how intelligent investors can benefit from market volatility by staying disciplined, avoiding emotional decisions, and buying during market dips. Seeing market fluctuations as opportunities rather than threats can lead to better investment outcomes. Chapter 9. Investing in Investment Funds. Use the power of teamwork. The role of investment funds in your portfolio. In this chapter, Graham discusses the benefits and drawbacks of mutual funds, index funds, and ETFs, stressing the importance of low fees, strong performance, and diversified holdings. Investment funds can be a great way to diversify your portfolio with professional management. Chapter 10. The Investor and His Advisors. Find a trusted guide. The value of a good advisor in navigating investments. Graham provides tips on choosing financial advisors, highlighting the need for competence, integrity, and aligned interests, and encourages investors to stay informed and involved. A good advisor can provide valuable insights and help you stay on track with your investment goals. Chapter 11: Security Analysis for the Lay Investor. General Approach. Unlock the secrets of analyzing stocks. A beginner's guide to security analysis. This chapter introduces the basics of evaluating financial statements, understanding earnings reports, and determining a stock's true value. Learning these skills can help you make more informed investment decisions and identify promising opportunities. Chapter 12: Things to consider about per share earnings. Per share earnings tell a story. Here's how to read it correctly. Graham explains the importance of per share earnings, how accounting practices can affect them, and why distinguishing between reported and sustainable earnings is crucial. Understanding per share earnings helps you evaluate a company's financial health more accurately. Chapter 13: A comparison of 4 listed companies. Learn by example, a look at 4 companies to understand investing better. In this chapter, Graham analyzes 4 companies, showing how his principles of security analysis work in practice and what factors to consider when evaluating stocks. Real-world examples help you see how theoretical concepts apply to actual investments. Chapter 14: Stock Selection for the Defensive Investor. Build a strong and stable portfolio. Stock selection tips for cautious investors. Graham offers specific criteria for selecting stocks, such as financial stability, consistent dividends, earnings growth, and reasonable prices, ensuring a conservative approach. These guidelines help you choose investments that are less likely to be affected by market volatility. Chapter 15: Stock Selection for the Enterprising Investor. Find great opportunities. Stock picking strategies for active investors. This chapter gives guidelines for active investors, focusing on finding undervalued stocks, special situations, and high-growth companies that the market may overlook. By being diligent and thorough, you can discover investments with significant upside potential. Chapter 16: Convertible Issues and Warrants. Add flexibility to your portfolio. Understanding convertibles and warrants. Graham discusses the benefits and characteristics of convertible securities and warrants, explaining how they can provide additional opportunities and value. These instruments can offer a mix of income and potential for capital appreciation. Chapter 17: 4 Extremely Instructive Case Histories. Real-life lessons from the market. 4 case studies to learn from. In this chapter, Graham presents 4 real-world examples of investment decisions, demonstrating his principles and the importance of thorough analysis and discipline. These case studies illustrate common pitfalls and successes in investing. In this chapter, Graham presents 4 real-world examples of investment decisions, demonstrating his principles and the importance of thorough analysis and discipline. These case studies illustrate common pitfalls and successes in investing. The case studies include Northern Pipeline, highlighting the discovery of hidden value through balance sheet analysis, Pennsylvania Railroad, emphasizing the dangers of high debt levels, Electric Bond and Share Company, showcasing the benefits of investing during corporate restructuring, and United States Steel Corporation, illustrating the crucial concept of margin of safety. Chapter 18: A comparison of 8 pairs of companies. Double the insight. Comparing 8 pairs of companies to sharpen your skills. Graham compares 8 pairs of companies, highlighting their differences in financial health, management, and market performance, to help investors spot better opportunities. This comparison teaches you how to critically evaluate and differentiate between potential investments. Chapter 19: Shareholders and Managements. Dividend Policy. The Power of Dividends. Understanding their role in your investment strategy. This chapter explores the relationship between shareholders and management, the importance of dividend policies, and how consistent dividends can boost long-term returns. Knowing how to evaluate a company's dividend policy can guide you to more reliable investments. Chapter 20: Margin of safety, as the central concept of investment, your ultimate protection. The margin of safety is key to smart investing. Graham emphasizes the margin of safety, the buffer between the purchase price and intrinsic value, which protects investors from significant losses and increases potential gains. This concept is crucial for minimizing risk and maximizing long-term success. Conclusion: the journey to smart investing starts now. With these principles, you are ready to succeed. By incorporating these timeless principles into your investment strategy, you can navigate the financial markets with confidence and clarity. Transform your investment knowledge. Like and subscribe for concise and insightful book summaries of numerous must-read and best-selling books. Thanks for watching.